I'm excited to be here tonight, or what you better say, I'm electrified. And of course, 100% electric. Then unleash the beauty of sustainable mobility, and please welcome the new Audi e-Tron Sportback.
We went one step further. How? I'd like to show you. This ship includes more than 1 million pixels, and that's why this car is able to illuminate the road in high resolution, and even more, it's able to communicate by its surroundings. So let's talk about design. This car combines a rugged SUV style with the aesthetic and the elegance of the coupe, and honestly speaking, the result is a great looking car. The very progressive designed rocker, because this rocker emphasizes where the core energy is located, because exactly there is a battery pack located in the floor of the car. Let's talk about the interior. You know, I'm 6.5 feet tall, and this car offers me lots of comfort and roominess. And don't forget, we are talking about the coupe. Ladies and gentlemen, the story of our commitment to electrification has just started, and that we are looking at Audi for many stories we will tell you in the next months.